Hello and welcome back to another of our nappy reviews. This time I'll be showing you a little known newborn nappy. This one is the Imse Vimse. It's cotton flannelette, very slim, and it folds down really small. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe, click on the button and get notifications of any other videos that we upload. Anyway, let me show you the Imse Vimse. Let's open it up first. As you can see, it's a bit of a strange shape. It's elasticated down the sides. You've got these flaps at the front, bigger flaps at the back, and this long sewn in booster. There's also a thicker pad, slightly thicker pad, down the middle as well. Normally, well, always, you would need a stay dry layer, and today we're going to be using a little lamb fleece liner. So that would go on the top like so, and then you would pop the nappy around baby, flaps would come around, you put a wrap over the top and the wrap would hold it all together. That's normally how you would do it. Today we're going to do something a little different. Let me put that there for a second. Now this is a Happy Flute newborn wrap. As you can see, it's got poppers down the front so you can shorten the length if you need to. Velcro fastening, nice and easy. It's got these handy little Velcro laundry tabs so they fold away for when you're washing. And at the front it's got this little flap, and we're going to be making use of that. So I'll put this to one side. Let me show you what we're going to do with our Imse Vimse nappy. First, take that out. What we're going to do first is fold these front tabs out of the way. That's very simple, like so. And then this long booster, you can fold it all the way like that, so you have most of your absorbency towards the front, which is perfect for a boy. Or you might want to fold it a little bit more like that. Whoops. So then you have more absorbency towards the middle for a girl. But just for now, we're going to fold it like so. So now we've got a kind of a T shape, like this. Now, the back gets interesting. You can use it just like this. Pop your fleece liner on, and then it will go around like so. We're going to do something slightly different with it. We're going to shorten it. And how you do that is you tuck the back underneath. So you see where this label is at the back? That's going to go underneath, and we're going to fold it to the top of the sewn in pad, or the back rather, of the sewn in pad. So let's do that. And you can already see that is a lot shorter. For one thing, I can get the whole nappy into the screen now, more or less. There, like so. So now we're going to put our fleece liner on the top, and because it's slightly longer than the nappy now, we're just going to tuck the excess under at the back like this. So now we have a T shape with a fleece liner down the middle. Now let me just move that to one side for a second. Here's our wrap, so we'll open it up and we lay the nappy on the top. The front part we're just going to tuck under the flap, just to hold it in place, just to make it easier to put on. And the side gussets on the wrap, you want to make sure that the nappy is tucked in a bit. We'll do that on both sides, like so. You don't want anything sticking out, you see, you don't want to get wet patches. And then towards the back, again, we're going to make sure it's all contained within the wrap when it's actually on. So now you'll find that these are going to be in the way a little bit. So we're actually going to tuck those flaps under at the back. And now you have a rectangle. Everything's all nicely folded in. You've got plenty of absorbency there, but it's not going to be massively bulky. And then you literally pop it on, baby, do it up, you're good to go. I'm not doing this up particularly well, I have to admit. What I would suggest is if you prep, say, 2 or 3, if you've got 3 wraps of these, so they're ready to go, and then you put this nappy on, baby. When it comes time to change, take the nappy off, get your second wrap that's already prepared, you don't have to faff around folding anything, and put that on. And then the nappy that's been used, you can take out of the wrap. So this one's been used, take the whole thing out, pop it in the bucket, get your new clean nappy ready for next time. And again, just tuck it into the flap, tuck it at the sides, tuck it at the back, and that one's ready to go for next time. So it actually makes for a very simple system once you've done a little bit of folding, that's all. And if you have other pads, you can use those as well. If you really wanted to, you could even put 2 of these Imse Vimse nappies together. But to be honest, your baby would have to be a bit bigger for that. For a newborn, this is perfectly okay. Well, if that's been useful to you, do subscribe. You should find somewhere up here, I think, there's a subscribe button, or down there. Go and click on that and subscribe, and then you'll see all of our other nappy reviews when they get uploaded. Thank you for watching.